problem maximum score of a good subarray. Okay, so let's read the problem. So you have been given an array of integer nums and an integer k. Okay, the score of a subarray I and j is defined as minimum of nums I to j and then multiply by j minus a plus 1. Basically you can say the length of this one. A good subarray is a subarray where I, k and j, k will lie between I and j. Return the maximum possible score of a good subarray. So you have been given an integer array nums and you have been given an integer k. So you have to pick I and j such that always contains the index k. So if you see 0, 1, 2 and 3, so you will always have to include 7 and you have to create the subarray. And in that case, in subarray, pick the minimum and then multiply it with the length. So let's see like what approach we can follow. Okay, and yeah, so I can say k is 0, k is equal to 3. In subarray, in result 7 will always be included, always. Okay, now let's say try to include 4 as well. Now let's say your length is 2 and if we come in this side, let's pick 3 and 7. So in that case your minimum is 3 into length 2, that would be 6. In that case your minimum is 4 and into 2, that would be 8. So can you see here, like if I have to go this side, I am picking 4. If I have to go this side, I am picking 3. So should I need to pick 3 or 4? Okay, so you can see that I will always try to pick the maximum, whichever is maximum among both. Why? Because that will make sure that my minimum is always greater, because I have to multiply it by the length that is constant, you can say. So to maximize this one, I have to maximize the minimum. I have to maximize the minimum. Okay, so 1, 4, 3, 7, 4 and 5. So I will start from 7. Now should I pick 4 or should I pick 3? Obviously I will pick 4. Then I will increase the counter here. Should I pick 3 or 5? I will pick 5. Why? It is greater. And now I reach the end. Now in this side I will try to pick each. I will pick 3. I will pick 4, I will pick 1. Every time I will also calculate like what is the answer here, result, you can see temporary result. So let's see again this problem. So I will first start from 7. In that case my answer would be 7 into 1, that is 7. Then I will pick 7 and 4. In that case my answer would be 4 into 2, that would be 8. Again I will try to include 5 as well. Then it would be 7, 4, 5. My answer would be 4 into 3, that would be 12. Why? Because 4 is the minimum among them. Now I have reached the end this side. I can now go in this side. So I don't have any choice into going this side. So I need to pick this 3 as well. Now you can see my answer would be 3 into 4, that would be 12. Now I will try to pick 4 as well. In that case my minimum is still 3 and length is 5, that is 15. Now I will try to pick 1, 3, 7, 4 and 5. Now you can see my minimum is 1 into 6, that is 6. Then what is the maximum among all of them? That is this one, 15. So let's see if okay, it is 15. Now let's see this problem. Okay, and it is tagged as hard, guys, but let me confirm that it is not that much hard. I can say it is a medium level problem. Okay, now we have to include 0. So I will start from here. So I have included 5. Then my answer is 5 into 1, that is 5. Now I don't have any choice to going this side. So I will always try to go this side. Then 5, that would be 5 into 2, 10. Then I pick 5, 5, 4. That will make 4 into 3, 12. Now I include this one as well. 1 second. 4 and 5. In that case that would be 4 into 4, 16. And I think now you can see, like, every time we have to pick the maximum among both side, maximum among both side, maximum among both side, and increase the and shift the pointer, not because in this side that pointer will go this side and this pointer will go this side, and shift the pointer, shift pointer. So anyone that have done, let's see what is the related problem to this, that is largest rectangle in histogram. But I think if you have done the problem, what its name is, let me search it on this one. Okay, where I can do, let me go here. I think there is a problem that is the same approach that this question is having, and that question is tagged as medium. That's why I'm saying this question is of medium level. Okay, so now what can you do? You pick this one and you start your pointer from this one. So you can say if your array is 1 3 4 1 0 and k is your 2, then you will start your pointer, that you can say your start pointer is here and your end pointer is here. So you can see your start is greater, so you will move your start pointer here. Now you can see now it is equal, so you have choice whether you can increase this one or whether you can increase this one. So it is reached at end, then you can see you will pick 0. Okay, now let's see the code. I think I can show you that problem, that is container with most water. Okay, so this problem, so if you have done this problem, container with most water, then you can easily crack this question. There is not a big deal. So okay, let's see the code. So I'm starting, and my start and end would be k minus 1 and k plus 1. Okay, I have initialized my answer with the current element because I have to pick this one first of all. After that, if I reach the end, then I will just shift the start pointer, and if I have to shift the start pointer, then the start should be greater than end. So every time I will keep track of the minimum till now, and I will multiply minimum with the length. So you can see we are doing here this one. So you can see each time this is minimum and this is length, this is length and this is minimum, and every time when we encounter something less than minimum, then we update the minimum, and if we haven't reached the end, then we can say we will shift the end. So that's it. I think that is very easy question. Yeah, that's all. So if you want more update like this, you can do like on video.